Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about payments on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to make payment for them on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you how you can actually make payment for your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So this particular product right here, I'm going to go ahead and make payment for it on Pinduoduo. So let's get started. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do right here is to access from my WhatsApp right here, and then I will go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So I've opened up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to search for the product. So this particular product right here is what I'm going to buy right now and make payment for. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. Once you click on the product link, it's going to take us right there, and we can scroll down and read detail about the store right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to purchase. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. The next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down right here and make sure I choose my means of payment right here. So I'm making payments with my Alipay. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. And go ahead and enter my payment password. Payment done successfully, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot the proof of payment right here. What I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done. Then go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. I have to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Here we go, successfully paid for. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp right here. So I will click on here and I will click on my gallery, then select proof of payment and say order please. Now, it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Idofish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.